So in Cambodia, there are many people use this gas stove, and this gas stove is super useful. I bought it before around $8, something like that, and it comes with a gas can, and this gas can you put inside the gas stove. So you have to put the gas can like this and close it, and then you push it like this and then turn it on. Anyway, so my gas can is run out of gas, and I bought 3 of them. I have 3 of them, and later I'm gonna bring them to the local market and exchange them to the new one. So in Cambodia, there are many gas cans like these ones. It's super duper easy to exchange them or fill them up. So the lady just turn on the gas, and then she's going to fill up my gas cans, 3 of them. So per bottle, it's only 25 cents. So I'm going to fill up 3 of these cans. As you can see here, the lady organized the gas. It looks so dangerous. Oh my god. She's really strong woman. So she used the string and to close the gas. And then you see these ones. So these ones are empty bottles, and then she put the gas into here. Okay, the lady fixed the giant gas already. So now she put my gas can inside here. So per gas can only 25 cents. I got three of them, so total 75 cents. So this is her business. She got 4 or 5 of the big gas and a lot of the small mini gas. Per new one, it's 75 cents per a can. My one, I bought it 75 cents, and this one I exchange only 25 cents each. So basically, when you got the new one, don't throw the cans away. You keep it, and then you can come to the shop like this, and they will fill them up. And the cost is much cheaper. And she checked the scale, how many grams of the gas she will charge. So this is 3,600 real. It's equal to USD 88 cents. And I got 3 full gas cans for these ones. Yay! Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.